Hello. So in this tutorial, we'll be checking how we can scrape different URLs from websites using a package and the UiPath. So first of all, we have opened the UiPath new project, and let's go on manage packages as we need to install a package. So the package name is GERT that extract web hyperlinks activities. It can be found on UiPath Marketplace or directly on manage packages here. We go install this package. We click accept. So briefly, what this package does, it's like it extracts different URLs from images, sources on the HTML structure. Okay, now we have installed the package. We are going to open a main workflow. So we'll do a mini demo, let's say, how we can use the packages. If we go to activities, scroll down, you'll find a folder, kind of a location named GERT, extract web hyperlinks. We drag and drop this activity. So basically how it works, we get a URL, a website URL, a different URL, insert it here, and as a result, we'll get an array with all the URLs he was able to scrape. In order to test that, we are going to a web page, to my home page. Let's grab the link. And as you can see here, there are a lot of different buttons. There are a lot of uh, animations, images, so we can find a lot of URLs. So we go and place the URL here. We are going to make a result variable, which will be an array. Now that we created the variable, we can get a loop. So we'll loop for each element and display it on the console log. So let's put the list of items and an activity right line so we can display it. Now we can test this one. We can put it on debug on execution trail. So we see all the different URLs that will appear. Okay, the project has run. We can see here in the output the results, which will be like, for example, we see mail to, we see different URLs. There will be also images, which later on you can get all these elements and scrape different URLs. Like, for example, if you're going to scrape images, you go and get all extensions with images. If you want to get the JavaScripts behind